My mother told me many times, said, son, treat people like you want to be treated. You need to help your people because they will pay you back many times over. If they need a fan in the summertime or they need a mat to stand on because the concrete's hard, go ahead and take care of that. Those things are minor, but think of yourself in that same position. If you were working all day, would you want a mat? Yes. You need to respect the people in this company, no matter what their job is. They need to understand that when you're working with them, you don't feel like you're better than they are, because you're not. The person that's sweeping the floor out there in that plant today or doing whatever in this plant needs to be done, if they work hard and they're honest, they deserve total respect, because some of those jobs are very difficult. If they do their job, we need to do ours.